Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Teams for online classes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer or device. Sign in using your school or work account. Select the Teams tab on the left sidebar. Click on Join or Create a Team at the bottom of the Teams list. Choose Create a Team to set up a new class. Select the class option to ensure it's designed for educational use. Fill in the name of your class in the team name field. Optionally, add a description to help students understand the purpose of the class. Set the privacy settings to either private or public based on your preference. Click Create to finalize the creation of your class. Once your team is created, you can invite students by clicking on Add Member. Type in the email addresses of your students and click Add. Create channels for different subjects or topics. To set up class meetings, select the Calendar tab on the left sidebar. Click New Meeting in the top right corner of the calendar view. Fill in the meeting details, including the class name, date, time, and duration. Add a brief agenda or notes in the description for clarity. Invite your students by typing their names in the Invitees section. Click Save to schedule the meeting. Ensure to share the meeting link in the class channel for easy access. To conduct a meeting, return to the calendar on the day of the class. Click on the scheduled meeting and select Join. Make sure your microphone and camera settings are configured correctly. Once in the meeting, encourage students to use the chat feature for questions. Use screen sharing to present materials or PowerPoint slides during the class. After the meeting, consider recording this session for students who could not attend. Check the Files tab for any shared documents or resources. Regularly post announcements and updates in the general channel to keep students informed. Adjust your settings and preferences under Settings to enhance your teaching experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.